What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, as always, we are still dealing with surdic equations. So, look at the question we have on the board. It says a cuboid has a square base of, root 3 plus 1 meters with a height and volume of x meter and s into this meter cube, respectively. Find the value of x, leaving your answer in the form of a plus b root 12, where a and b are integers. So guys, let's deal with this question. Follow me along. Let's go. So guys, look at the board. These are our given parameters. So this is one side of the cuboid. I made a sketch of a cuboid for easier, understanding. So if you look, one side of this cuboid is assumed to be square. So it means that all the sides are equal. So one side of it is given as this is the value of one side. So the height is this as here, and the volume is given as this value. So as you know, area of a cuboid, where A is the length of one side. So in this case, A is what? This man. So A is equals to this man. So that means if we apply our formula, remember that volume of a cuboid is equals to area. So that means this thing squared. The area of this cuboid is root 3 plus 1 all squared. So now let's go to our volume. It means that x root 48 plus root 12 is equals to, what is the area? This height is x. So that means s into this. So if that is the case, let's open this bracket. X into root 48 plus root 12 is equals to, this is like writing this into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Is it not? Yes. So that means this is equals to x into root 3 times root 3, you have 3. Root 3 times 1 plus root 3. 1 times root 3 plus root 3. 1 times 1 plus 1. So you have x into root 48 plus root 12 is equals to x into 1 plus 3 plus 1, 4, plus root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. So if we open this bracket, we have x root 48 plus root 12 is equals to 4 times s, 4x. Then s times 2 root 3 plus 2x root 3. So let's collect like terms. That is crossing these ones over. So we'll have that. Remember, s is here, is here, is here. So s is common. X into root 48. If we cross this 4 and the other ones, minus 2 root 3 minus 4 is equals to minus root 12. Yes, that is 12 goes there. So if we continue that way, we are still going to have s into, remember root 48, we can write it as 16 times 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 is equals to minus root 12. It means that x into this thing goes, square root of 16 is what? 4. We have 4 root 3 left, minus 2 root 3 minus 4 is equals to minus root 12. So if we continue, we're going to have that x into, look, you have what? Like terms here. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. You have 2 root 3 minus 4 is equals to minus root 12. It means that x is equals to, if we divide through by 2 root 3 minus 4, x is equals to minus root 12 all over 2 root 3 minus 4. Is it not? So, as before, you remember we are now back to rationalizing the denominator. So we have to rationalize this to get to, to the answer we are looking for. So if we rationalize the denominator, it means that x will give us minus root 12 over 2 root 3 minus 4. Remember, the conjugate of this is 2 root 3 plus 4. So it will be times 2 root 3 plus 4 all over 2 root 3 plus 4. We have that x will give us root 12 minus root 12 into 2 root 3 plus 4 all over 2 root 3 minus 4 into 2 root 3 plus 4. So let's continue. We are going to have, remember we can write root 12 as, we have minus root 12 can give us 4 times 3 into 2 root 3 plus 4 all over, let's open this, 2 root 3 times 2 root 3. Root 3 will cancel root 3, we'll have 2 times 2, 4 times 3 that will be left, which is 4 into 3. Then 2 root 3 times 4, we have plus 8 root 3. Then minus 4 times 2 root 3 minus 8 root 3. Then lastly, minus 4 times 4, you have minus 16. So if we continue, we're going to have minus this man, the square root of 4 is what? 2. It gives us minus 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 plus 4 all over. This and this will go. We have 12 minus 16. So now this gives us minus, now let's open here, 2 root 3 times 2 root 3, root will cancel, root 3 will remain, it will be 2 times 2 times 3, which gives us, let me write it, 4 times 3 into 2 root 3 times 4, give us 8 plus 8 root 3 all over. 12 minus 6 is what? Minus 4. So this goes minus, cancels minus, we have plus, this gives us 12 plus 8 root 3 all over 4. If this goes here, and if it goes here too, we're going to have here to remain 3, and here will remain 2. So this gives us 3 plus 2 root 3. So remember, we were asked to leave our answer in the form of a plus b roots 3. So therefore, this is our what? Final answer. So it means that a is 3, b is 2, because these are their integers from the question. So guys,